Today I got a tennis ball, an adjustable wrench, and a pop aka soda bottle. I'm going to show you how all three of these can make your life way easier. But why would I do that, you ask? Because it's Tool Tip Tuesday!
It's Tool Tip Tuesday! Yeah! Tool Tip free! Yeah!
Tip number one, my friends. Yep, we've all been there. It doesn't matter if you're dragging an electrical cord, an air hose across the shop floor, the garage, out in the driveway, you always get stuck behind that dreaded tire. And not only is it a pain in the butt, but you can also break your extension cords and your air hoses. No matter how hard you pull, it just won't come loose. And wow, that's not real nice like. Look right here, my friends. This is what could happen to you. So how exactly do we prevent this from happening to you? Well, it's very simple. This is where the tennis balls come in, my friend. It's a quick and easy solution. It's going to take you hardly any money to do and super quick and simple. Check this out. Now that you got that rounded edge on that tennis ball right there, well, your cords no longer get stuck in between that dreaded tire. That, my friends, well, that's real nice like. Tip number two, my friends. Not only is this going to help you out, it's going to help get rid of some of your recyclables. So check this out. You hang up your rake, your shovel, your broom, falls down, smacks you. Now that's not real nice like. It can hurt, smack you in the face. But we got an idea. We're gonna take an empty pop bottle and, well, you don't even really need a bandsaw. You can use a hacksaw, you can use a pull saw, anything cheap, and cut that top right off right there. Just be very careful if you're using that bandsaw. You're just gonna slice out a little wedge. Once you slice out that little wedge right there, well, you're gonna take your drill. Yeah, that's right. That's a good idea. You're going to take your drill and you're going to put a little hole in the back end of this thing. Now, you're wondering to yourself, why would you drill a hole in the back end of this thing? I mean, surely there's no reason for it, but there is. You're going to take it. Now, you're going to hang this right up on your wall. And you wouldn't believe how well this actually works. Just push it in there, my friends. Yeah, that's right. Tool Tip Tuesday. And now you have an organizer that didn't cost you any money. It works really, really well. You can barely even tell that it's up there. Smeesh on that like button would be real nice like. Let's move it on to tip number three. So we're going to get our drill. And what are we going to do now? Oh, we're going to go into some copper or just some metal pipe. You know it's a real pain in the butt to slides off. Ain't nothing to grip onto. Drive you crazy. Drive you mad. Makes you really upset no matter how many times you try. It just keeps slipping and slipping. Don't worry, my friends. I got an idea. This is where that sweet adjustable wrench comes in. You see on the back end of this wrench right here, as you can see, well, you got a little hole, and that's where this thing slides back and forth. So you're just going to open that up to the width of what you're trying to hold, and then you just use that as a guide for your drill bit. See that? Now, if you have a smaller drill bit, you want to go inside like so, and that'll help guide it even better. But that, well, that's real nice like. Now, if you want to see more Tool Tip Tuesdays for free, well, I'll leave a couple videos for you right here. Also, if you like this, don't forget to smash that like button, get subscribed, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of these sweet Tool Tip Tuesdays. Back with more videos soon.